In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I fixed my STC app login issues. So if you're also having problems to log in, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what I had to do is that I had to firstly close my STC app, and instead we're going to go into the settings app on our phone, scroll down and click on general here as you can see, and then click on storage as you can see, and now you're just gonna wait a couple of seconds for this to completely load. So now when it's done, just swipe up, click on search, and search for my STC here and click on this app, and then click on offload app, and once again in here click on offload app. Just wait a couple of seconds and then click on reinstall app here as you can see. Now you just have to simply wait for your My STC app to completely update to its latest version. So when it's done, you can go back and try once again. And if it still is not working for you, what you can do is to reset your password if you have forgotten that one as well, of course. So you can try to do that and see if that can also fix this issue for you.